How to permanently delete your Twitter account on Twitter application on your mobile phone. This tutorial will use Android device, but you can always replicate the same step on your iOS device as well. As always, for more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Okay, here we go. Just first off, open your Twitter application. From your Twitter application, just click your top left button or your profile button and then choose Settings and Privacy. Choose your account. Go to deactivate your account from there. Okay, here's how it works. Twitter will deactivate your account within 30 days. So after 30 days since you deactivate your account, the deletion process will occur. Here's how a few notes from there. Some account information may still be accessible, be it from search engines like Google, DuckDuckGo, Bing, Yahoo, whatever, and also web archive. So any public tweets that you have posted before will still be available. And if you wanted to reactivate your account, you can do so within 30 days. So after 30 days, the deletion process will occur. So if you have a change of mind and you wanted to reactivate your account back, you can do so within 30 days. To proceed, just click deactivate. You need to confirm your password on the next screen. Just enter your password and then choose deactivate. Yes, deactivate if there's any pop-up from there. And Twitter will notify you that your account is deactivated. You can wait 30 days from there, okay? And that's pretty much how you permanently delete your Twitter account from your mobile phone. By the way, we have another tutorial on how to reactivate your account back. We will give the link on the description below. If you have a change of mind, just click on our tutorial as well. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us at TechTricks to cover, please do not hesitate to put it on the comment section down below. Okay? Cheers, I hope it helps. Goodbye.